Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well.
And try to catch a note as the mask choir sings.
I look like a hot sweaty mess right now. I've literally just got back from taking Maisie for a walk.
And try to catch a note as the mask choir sings. And it's a hymn you don't seem to know. And take you around in your favorite town.
And now I'm gonna clean the lodge and stuff like that. So I thought before I do that, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna film the long-awaited Temu haul. Your girl has ordered a few things off Temu, mainly to go around the lodge. So I thought I'd quickly share them with you because I know you guys love my Temu hauls. I've done that many now, I've lost count. I am a bit of a lover of Temu. I must admit, I do love their tat, basically. I do like it. Just a smidgen of a one just for around the lodge, and I thought I'd share with you. If you don't know what Temu is, don't know where you've been for the last year or so, Temu is an online shopping app where you can virtually buy everything and anything. I've got to rein it in because we're now living in a lodge and I haven't got anywhere to put it all. If you are new to Temu and you've never shopped on there before, I'll drop the link down in the description box so you can check on that link. If you click on the link, then that'll take you straight to Temu, and then you can use my discount code, which I'll put up on screen and down in the description box for you as well, if it's still valid, for new users only. And without further ado, this is not going to be a long video today, and we're just going to jump straight in
to my Temu haul because we all love them, don't we?
Did it again. So, much to Tony's delight, I picked up a few things on Temu. And I'm going to share it with my best friends. And yes, I'm in a vest top. It is so warm today. It's Tuesday. Obviously you guys will see this on Wednesday, but it's so warm here today. And I've took Maisie for a long walk. She's literally conked out on the sofa because she's only got little paws. And we went for a good hour walk and it was just beautiful, so nice. Grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, and let's just dive straight into what I bought from Temu, because I bought these a couple of weeks ago and I can't remember what I picked up. So let's just dive straight in and see what schnizzle I picked up from Temu, because with Temu you can get good and then you can get not so good products. So the first thing is this throw. So I picked up a throw. I'll put a picture up on screen of what it looks like. I'm hoping this is going to fit my sofa, because if it doesn't, it's probably going to be a new bed blanket for Maisie. It feels nice. It's got that really nice soft teddy bear feel to it. It does feel really nice and soft. Just hoping it's going to be big enough to go on my sofa. That's quite big, so hopefully that's going to go on my sofa. It's meant to be like thicker than this, and I tried it in my hair and it just looks like a rat's tail, so that is absolute crap. Oh yeah, this is to put in my bathroom because we haven't really got anywhere to put like our toiletries and stuff. So I'll put a picture up on screen, but it's like a little tray for you in your bathroom, and then you just pop your shower stuff in there and it'll be so much easier. It looks a little bit wider than what it did. I never do like measure anything ever. Tony has a fit at me all the time. But I'll put it up in the bathroom and I'll add the little snippet in here as well, just to show you what it looks like in my bathroom. If I don't do the snippet, it means it's too big, and I hate it when I impulse buy because I never know what I've picked up. Oh, this is my little unit for in the kitchen. I'll put it up on screen what it is, because at the minute it do little things like that, some screws and a little shelf and no instructions, so that turns out alright. I will put a snippet in here obviously if it does turn out alright, but I may need Tony's help. Oh, this is the one thing I was excited to get. So that's everything in bag number one. So I picked up this, which is a massager. I mean, it says handle with care. The box the box is battered a little bit. Let's see what she looks like. So it's basically a neck massager. Actually, Tony's taking me to another caravan site in July. I think it's July, and they do full body massage, a facial, a head massage, and your girl booked in. I like that. Oh, there's a bunny. Oh,
There are some bunny rabbits. This is why I love living here.
there's just 2 bunny rabbits just literally just running around outside. Actually, I don't know if I'll be able to get it on my phone. So just trust me when I tell you there was 2 little bunnies out there. Can't believe I didn't catch that on camera. That's annoying. So yeah, got myself a massager. Comes in this little bag. Thing like that. Is it charged up? Oh.
Oh, guys.
Feels a bloody amazing.
Oh, I could sit here all day with this on.
When I've had my bath later, I will be having that on. So it's got like these little ball things at the back. And they go round like that into your neck. So they go round into your neck and massage the back of your neck. Oh, you can have it where it's warm as well. That I'm gonna absolutely love. This, which is like a door hanger, so you hang your like wreaths on it on the front door and stuff, because I love like springtime wreaths, summer wreaths, winter, autumn, Christmas wreaths. This will be ideal. I nearly clonked myself on the head with it. This is my fruit, it says fruit plate, but it looks like a fruit bowl to me. Just a nice little fruit bowl. Quite like the shape and the design of it as well. It looks so nice, and it's just plain white and it's bigger than my head. A nice wreath for the front door. That looks really, really pretty. I like that. It says welcome to our home. There's 3 products in here. So this is to go above our bed, because you guys know I love my dream catchers, and this one is absolutely stunning, and I just had to have her. She is absolutely beautiful, and she's going to go at the back of our bed on the wall, and that is absolutely gorgeous, and I love that. That is so pretty. That's what I'm saying with Temu. Sometimes it can be a bit of a hit and a miss, but some of their home products are absolutely stunning and beautiful, and I would highly recommend them for that. I have had a few hits and misses with their clothing. Not gonna lie, some of the clothing is not the best quality, but then again some of it is. So yeah, and then some of the garden stuff, I've loved having like the garden stuff and that. Makeup products are a bit of a hit and miss. Some I've liked, some not so much. Skincare products are absolutely gorgeous. I do like their skincare products, but like I said, all products today that I've shown you, I will link and list them all down below if you are interested in picking some up yourself, and the link will be down there if you are new to Temu and you've never used it before. I'll leave the link down there and my discount code, and you can get, I think it's 35% off your first order. So yeah, I'll leave all that down below for you, and I've got 2 more products to show you. So this one is to go in the microwave. So you pop this over your dish or bowl or whatever you're putting in the microwave to warm up, and it stops it splattering everywhere. You can even put this, I suppose, over like cakes and stuff like that. If you've got cakes outside, you could just put that on it so no critters or anything can get to it. But yeah, it's just a microwave lid thing, so your microwave doesn't get all dirty. And then I've got one more product to show you guys, and it's this. It's a bath pillow. My old bath pillow was absolutely disgusting, so I had to get rid of it. I do love a nice, gorgeous bath pillow when you're relaxing in the bath and you just pop your head on this and it's like, it's a nice pillow. But yeah, it's a nice little bath pillow. Good size, it's an absolute good size. And you just can hang it out to dry as well. It's got a little hook on it. So yeah, that is everything in my little Temu haul. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload upload a video, which is all the time at the moment. I don't have any specific time, so I'm just uploading. Hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all ready for Easter, because it is Easter weekend this weekend. Enjoy your Easter, and I will see you. I'll be back in April, so I'm having time off over Easter, and this will be the last video until April. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. I love you lots. Bye.